tinatawag tayong switchboard na magre-receive. It's manned by 24 hours a day na dedicated personnel. And then meron pong mga iba-iba. It's either, kasi ito po is more on, hindi natin nilalayo, but this is not the primary concern of the police, di ba? Kasi emergency medical service itong hiningi dito. So yung hindi naman pwedeng nakaano palagi doon yung mga doktor natin, yung mga ambulansya, di ba? So as I understand it fully, yung system is i-assess muna kung ano yung kinakailangang serbisyo. Di ba? Pwede kang humingi kasi sa fire, sa police, or medical emergency, i-connect ka sa nearest hospital or na ambulance. So yun po ang ginagawa. Yung mga operator natin doon are the ones to connect, or it's either ko-connect kanila pag ganitong emergency, or they will be the ones to get yung information needed, sila na po magsisend ng ambulance. So these are all the things that will be reviewed as per the investigation ordered by our secretary po.